We are pleased to show you the 2017 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, trip computer, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.